Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will give you 20 reasons to start TRT. Of course, and this seems logical, that you only need testosterone replacement therapy when you experience low testosterone symptoms. These have been covered in a lot of previous videos. So 20 reasons to start TRT, or 20 benefits that you can get when you correct your testosterone levels. The TRT benefit timeline has also been covered before in this video. So these benefits in no particular order are better sex drive or libido, better erections when needed and better morning wood, increased sense of well-being, a better mood in general and less depressed feelings. Some people that are on antidepressant meds even can get off them. Higher testosterone levels will give you better concentration and sharpness. It also improves your memory, less fatigue and more energy, less moodiness and irritability. TRT combats loss of muscular strength, and it also makes it easier to build muscle. More testosterone equals an easier time to lose fat. In time, in sum, testosterone will give you a deeper voice. We already covered 10 benefits of getting on TRT. Before we get onto the next 10, please consider hitting that like button and write something into the comment section to boost the algorithm. Thank you very much. It can also help with a better beard grow. TRT combats loss of body hair, elevated insulin sensitivity, a better immune response, higher red blood cell production and endurance. Very important when getting older, an increased bone density. Proper levels of testosterone also ensure a healthier heart. There is a strong connection between testosterone and critical thinking. Maybe that's why in this society nowadays there is not a lot of critical thinking. Men with higher testosterone levels have a lower incidence of Alzheimer's disease. TRT can help balance sleep cycles and the body's circadian rhythm, often resulting in much better sleep patterns. So let me know in the comment section what benefits you already got by starting TRT.